Want to start using the Microsoft 365 Copilot app to help you with projects in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft 365 Copilot. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Microsoft 365 Copilot, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in 365 Copilot at the top. Tap Microsoft 365 Copilot when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. That's all it takes to download Microsoft 365 Copilot. Looking for the more basic Copilot app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.